Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokji Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding electromagnetism. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Yes, electromagnetism. What is electromagnetism? Yes, electromagnetism is nothing but the electric current and the magnetic field are producing in the presence of magnets or any circular coils. The wires is known as the electromagnetism. In the presence of magnetic field and the electric current lines, the magnetic field will be produced. In the electromagnetic wave also, the magnetic field and the direction of the propagation of the electric current will be produced. The wave will be flow into in the air 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Do you know how the magnet will release the magnetic lines or magnetic field? This is the structure of magnetic lines. Here one bar magnet is there, the south pole, north pole is there. Here south pole is releasing the waves and north pole are also releasing the waves. This is the magnetic lines. By the magnetic lines and the electric current will be produced. The magnetic field is defined as B. Next topic is magnetic flux. What is magnetic flux? Yes, exactly. Magnetic flux is nothing but the number of electric lines and the magnetic field is enter into any object is known as magnetic flux. The magnetic flux density, the SI unit is Weber. I will show the image of magnetic flux density. This is the image of magnetic flux. Here any object is there, it is the any conductor or semiconductors. The lines are passing into the object. This is magnetic flux. Do you know the electric current is applicable to all conductors, the structures also. Example, the current will flow at the straight conductor, circular coils and solenoid. I will show the image of how the current will form into the straight conductor. Here one circuit is there. The HW battery is linked with one straight conductor. Here the electricity is conducting. So here we conclude that the electric current will pass into the straight conductors also. When the electric current will be passing into the straight conductor or any conductors will be present in that surroundings medium, the compass needle will be attract to the electric current with the help of magnets. By the compass, we will conclude that when the electricity is passing into that direction, the magnetic needle will be attract. So here we will conclude that electromagnetism process is occurred. Observe this diagram. The current is passing into a circular coil, but here present semicircular. Half circle is present under the cardboard. Here one compass is there. When the electricity is passing into the semiconductors or any circular coil, the compass is to be attracted. By showing this image, we will conclude that the electromagnetism process is going. Next, The current is also passing into the solenoid. A solenoid is nothing but spring-like structure. This is the image of solenoid. Here the current is passing into the positive terminal to negative terminal. In the electric circuit contain X region and dot region. The X region is nothing but the entering the current. The dot region is nothing but leaving the current. So the X is the entering and dot is the leaving. By the presenting the more X's, here the strong region will be produced. When the dot region will be present, the weak region will be present. I will show the image of X circuit and dot circuit. A circuit is there. Here X circuit is entering the current and dot circuit is leaving the current. In this lesson, very important laws is there. Faraday's law. The Faraday's law is nothing but the AC generator or DC generator by the attracting the generating the power. The mechanical energy is converted into electric energy. And next law is Lenz law. The Lenz law is nothing but here the Lenz law is introduced the number of wavelengths are produced in the presence of magnetic field and the electric current. By the magnetic field, the electric current will be produced. This is proposed by Lenz. These two laws are very important in this lesson for 4 marks and 2 marks also. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. And next topic is AC generator and a DC generator. I will show the image of AC generator. This is the image of AC generator. Here 2 poles is there. This is the conducting the images. North pole and south pole. Here the rotation is going by the slip rings. This is defined as C1 and C2. By the slip rings, the generator, the conducting will be produced. The conducting of electricity, the generating of electricity will be produced. Here mechanical energy to electric energy will be produced. This diagram is very important for 4 marks and the information also very important for 4 marks. The same question asked in public exam previously 4 times. This is DC generator. AC means the DC is direct current. AC means alternative current. Here also same structure is there, but here slip rings is defined as brushes B1, B2. By the resistor and the brushes, the conducting of electricity will be produced. Here also rotation process is going. By the brushes, the electric energy is converted into mechanical energy. This is also very important for 4 marks with the diagram. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat the important questions in the electromagnetism chapter. First question. What is electromagnetism? What is magnetic flux? What is the SI unit of magnetic flux? How the current is passing into the straight conductor? How the current passing into the circular coil? Explain the diagram of the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction when the current is producing in the circular coil. Explain how the current is passing into the solenoid. Explain the Faraday's law. Explain the Lenz law. And explain how the electric current is enter into the X region. How the electric current is enter into the dot region. And explain the need diagram, label diagram, AC generator, how the mechanical energy is converted into electric energy. Explain the need label diagram with the DC generator, how the electricity is producing in the DC generator, what is AC generator, what is DC generator. In this lesson, very important for 4 marks and 8 marks is AC generator and the DC generator only. Very important for 4 marks. I hope You are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.